The number is 8,260. So you're watching this video, this part of the video, 2 weeks after we did the test. So as you can see, everything is the same amplifier, same unit, same everything, but this is the answer, 8,260. So the person who is closer to this number, not going over it, is the winner of the HCCA5000.1DHV2. Enjoy your amplifier, keep track on all social media from Orion, and wait for more testings. Hello guys, Gabriel here from Orion. Finally we got one of our winners on the HCCA amplifier giveaway. The winner will receive obviously this HCCA5000.1DHV2, which was the one we tested on the previous videos you saw. Also, the winner will receive this sticker for his car. He'll get 2 of these ones. He'll get a cap, t-shirt, and a couple of stickers extra for his car. The winner hit the number, it was 8260, and the name of the winner is Gary Turner. So Gary, enjoy your amplifier, buddy. Be sure to have enough current and power on it. And if you need any tech support, give us a call, send us an email, a message through one of our social media, and we'll be able to help you out with whatever you need. One more thing, tell us what you think, guys, we should do with the other 2 guys that were in 2nd and 3rd place. We should give them another little amplifier, we should give them a set of stickers and t-shirt. I don't know, give us your feedback to see what we can do with them. Another thing we as Orion are thinking is about having Orion ambassadors. Do you think it's a good idea? To all those guys representing our products, our amplifiers or subwoofers or coaxials or mid-range, maybe not as Orion Army because usually they don't compete, but they could actually start to represent us as a brand, and we're thinking about them too. Do you think it's a good idea to have Orion ambassadors all over the world? Give us your feedback and stay tuned for more social media.